Red Mile. Be on alert.
PH2 reporting in. We're airborne inbound.
Squad, we're searching for the suspect now. Where's this guy hiding? Anyone seen him?
T-Bone.
I don't want to cramp your style, friend, but I picked up some chatter, and I think this kid's got fixers on me.
Shit. Alright, hold on, I'm being tracked. Once I lose him, I'll come for you.
Yo, alright. Make it quick, baby.
No sign of suspect. We'll have another look.
Squad, we need a total lockdown.
Squad to all units. We have additional officers moving to intercept.
Covering our sector. We'll find this punk. Squad, we're on station, still searching for the suspect.
Air to ground. We have your suspect in view. Squad, suspect is back into a tunnel. We're on the intercept on the other side.
Yeah, squad. Suspect's gone. Let's get an APV circulated.
A citywide manhunt is underway for the suspected vigilante Aiden Pierce. Engaged in several bold interventions, Pierce has divided the city, with locals praising his
911
actions.
state your emergency, please.
Hey, I'm free.
Lose it!
Hello, I need you to stay on the line.
Hey, why are you doing this?
T-Bone.
Look at this, brother. Some prototype shit I ain't never seen. I'm in love.
T-Bone, wrap it up.
They sound cranky.
Forget the toys. We gotta get you out.
Shit. Sorry, princess.
Hey, over
Now,
there.
go.
Someone's got to be doing that.
I'm on my way.
Right, listen up. They're turning the place over looking for me.
Tell me you guys see him. I'm on it. Grab some men. We can't let this guy get away. Hey, call the fellas in. Tell us to hurry.
Bitch. I'm stuck.
Don't move until I say.
10-4, brother.
Now, go.
Brother.
Move ahead.
You got it.
You find what we need in there?
Yeah. Default didn't expect us to find this romper room. I got what I needed to track him. Don't you worry. We're getting closer to your sister.
Go, quick.
Go.
Let's go.
Jesus. What can we do with a shorter rope?
Hey, there he is!
All right, you're good. Go.
I owe you, Aiden.
All units, this is Squad. We have a possible sighting on Aiden Pierce.
Stop where you are!
Whoa! Our control system is scrambled. We're boarding. Damn it! Patrol down!
Freeze! There he is! Drop the fucker if you have to. All right, we got him.